One of theirs. Enemy soldier
We are losing
sighted.
objective Edward.
Sighted! An enemy soldier! Watch out, a soldier! Careful, enemy soldier!
We have lost objective Edward.
Enemy medic there!
Yes!
Enemy medic sighted!
Halfway there, we have the upper hand. We have lost objective Butter.
Our objective is
Machine gun, not gun!
help me out!
We have taken objective George.
You see there, the
Taking
scout!
the objective!
That's one of their scouts.
We have lost objective. We have lost objective George.
The objective is now in enemy hands!
We have taken objective Butter. We are losing objective Apples.
Well, I'm gonna catch! Oh no! Where's that back?
We are losing objective Charlie. We have taken objective Freddy.
There's some first aid.
We have lost objective Edward.
Objective lost to the enemy! Don't give up, boys!
First aid, get patched up.
We have lost objective Freddy.
First aid, take it.
We have taken objective Duff.
Keep his hands! Keep it together, lads! Enemy bomber!
Machine gun, one of theirs. Enemy machine gun. Over there's an enemy shock trooper. machine gun. Hostile.
We have lost objective Duff.
Enemy soldier sighted. Char repéré. Restez en alerte. Là-bas, un éclaireur ennemi. Char ennemi repéré. Regardez là-bas, un éclaireur. C'est la poche.
We are losing objective Charlie.
J'ai vu un soldat ennemi.
Oh, we sniped each other.
Par là. Contact ennemi.
We have taken objective Charlie.
Oh! Clip. Oh!
Contact ennemi. Par là-bas.
I can't wait. Because, wait.
J'ai vu un soldat ennemi.
We are losing objective Apples.
J'aperçois un de leurs soldats. Contact ennemi. Médecin, droit devant.
We have lost objective Apples.
Voyez-vous, c'est un de leurs soldats.
Oh, alright. Look, we're losing aim going A. Someone remind me to talk to about recording in HD. It kills me. It's horse at
We have lost objective Apples.
Видишь? Штурмовик!
Finally got it. Thanks.
push.
Assault plate to rip here? Yeah.
Flanks.
Paul, you gotta get.
Я вижу вражеского разведчика!
Wait, what do you mean?
We are losing.
Гляди! Тут медик! Обнаружен вражеский медик!
Yeah, you can't do it on this one. Even the plane again. The plane coming over you, Paul? Car to your right.
Oh, on the horse. Go.
I hate the horse. Hit. No, can't kill him. Cheers.
Oh, there's a guy right here.
Вон!
Wow, I missed him.
The enemy
There's
Guy
a
got-
all objectives.
but yeah, building.
Oh, messed up. Paul, I need a res.
I need someone.
Get that horse, eh?
Вижу вражеского солдата!
Oh wow. Guy in the house.
Where? There's a car I'm gonna try and get into. I can't get into it, it's full.
Вон! Противник!
No, give me this.
Yeah, there's a people in that house.
Boys, we're backdooring, boys. Yeah, we are. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm
Wait, how'd I get out of this?
We're getting
Get in the driver's seat! Runyo! I'm not driving.
I am.
Are you driving? I fang it. Just fang it to the other side.
How do I draw? I'm not.
Вон
Our
там!
armored
Вражеский солдат!
Are you kidding me?
Oh, there's a guy there, lol.
Sniper, yeah, I want to kill him.
Yeah.
Straight up
It's
here.
not happening. Oh!
How did they get us?
Callisto's doing me a concert. Nah, mate, after this game, we're changing servers, I'm sorry. It's shocking.
You can spawn on the train.
To our right, there's an idiot.
Вражеский солдат!
Where is he?
Oh, headshot!
Everything's a snipe.
Yeah, I really enjoy this man.
Guy well far, but he got killed.
There's a sniper back here before, who I died to.
It's too far.
Yeah, there's someone in here, Dudley. Come on me, Dudley, come on me, there's one guy right here. There's two guys right here.
Enemy
yeah.
hit 45. We're losing health in the train.
Got one with the eyebrows. One more. Got them both, yeah, fuck
Paul,
off.
if you press R, if you hold
There's
R,
two more,
that's
two more.
Fast reload. Behind you guys, clearance sail, everything must go. He's dying. There's a guy around you.
Stabby stab.
Nice.
Over a spree, boys.
Yeah, you get the plane?
Yeah,
Вражеский солдат!
It's down.
Nice work.
hold on. There's a guy near us, there's a bomber near us, Paul.
Oh! Oh!
Nice, Adam.
Oh, there's another one.
Another plane already?
We have taken
Hello?
objective Charlie.
Yeah.
Someone needs to repair this train.
Southwest.
Hit the snipers long.
Вражеская противотанковая пушка!
We have taken
Guys are
objective
officially
Charlie.
out there.
No, they're not.
Sure?
Вражеский солдат! Вон там! Вражеская артиллерия!
There's a sniper in this thing, eh? Where is it?
Yeah, there's a sniper.
Got some damage. Got some damage
Смотрим в
on
оба!
him, right.
Тут разведчик!
There's another
солдат.
sniper here midfield.
Yeah, I hit him once. Yep, what up?
Yeah,
thank
hit
you.
him. Yeah. There's a car on the other side of the map, Paul.
Oh, he
Yeah,
just
yeah.
moved.
See if I can pilot the train. And I'm pretty sure.
How do you get it there?
I'm gonna just see if I can do it.
No, there's
Come
no
on, pilot,
spots,
Paulsy.
Paul. There's no
If you-
spots.
If someone can do it, you can.
There's no spots, Paul. Look in the... You can go back in your spot
Вон там! Вражеский
and
танк!
look at the map. Look at the thing in the middle. Why do you keep getting out?
I'm in.
Вон
What?
там! Штурмовик противника!
Yeah, you're not in the driver's seat.
No. Yeah, I was trying to see if there's any spots like this.
Can you see the... look at the bottom of your screen, there's a map of the
Вражеский солдат!
train.
So position number 1 would be the one we want, yeah?
Yep. We've had 12 health on this train the whole time. These guys are so dumb. You get that
Some racking up
sniper?
his headshots. There's
Yeah.
a flamer.
Осторожней! Тут
Yeah, I see
противник!
him. I'm trying to
Oh,
hit
there's
him.
a parachute, Dave.
Where?
Oh, bottom left. Can you
Oh,
get
we're
it?
gonna die. We're gonna die.
Oh,
I'm getting out of the train. Where's the parachute? Mark him.
I got him. And then his mate's not. I think we can go back.
Good shot,
Trainer.
Tyler.
There.
Did you get the sniper?
Yeah.
Good boy.
There's a sniper on the beach on our side of the river.
Yep.
Beach.
I see him. He just got marked. I can't see him. Mark him
At
again.
the train, guys. This
We
right.
have
hit him
lost
again.
objective
Yeah,
Charlie.
He's running across. Oh. There's two.
Вижу вражеского разведчика!
Oh, Bruce,
Oh.
kill! From that distance, though, then.
Разведчик!
Another sniper.
Yeah, I'm dead.
Я вижу вражеского разведчика!
Oh no.
Oh no, you got my kill.
The plane.
Yeah.
Res.
Вражеский...
There's a guy right here. One sec. One down.
Assault play behind me. Thank you, whoever that was.
Are you still here, Duff?
Yeah.
Oh!
Back.
Oh! I just missed the best. Oh no. My map.
Смотрите! Вражеский
Spot him,
солдат!
Duff.
Spotto's for Charlie.
В оба
Oh,
стороны!
he's asking for people.
Oh.
I'm in.
Oh, stop moving, you Runyu!
Boys,
Oh!
you're in the car. We're in the armored car, going for an assault last
Тот
year.
солдат!
Going
Это
to
враг!
sea. Oh, this is big.
Oh, enemy
well
hit 60.
I can't get it.
Yeah.
You gotta do 300 zeroing, my brother.
I do.
I'm
he
doing
gets me.
150. Oh, he got wrecked.
There's a guy on the other side of this train.
Yeah, why am I on fire?
Я тут на врага в упор смотрю!
RIP!
Цель останется
Oh,
нашей!
that sniper, please, someone ping
One,
him. Oh, there's
противник.
heaps there.
Oh, David.
Oh, I got a headshot on one. Didn't kill him. Oh. Did I block you?
Yeah.
So,
Мне больно, врач нужен!
who's calling for help? You. Oh, so I peeled out of it. I've been nailed.
Смотри!
The bullet's going through the guy.
Oh, yeah.
That hit heals hard. David, can you check the pouch?
Water. Some sort of plane. Yeah, I knew that guy was gonna get someone. There's no way.
Вражеский разведчик!
Oh, just sneaking a kill. Oh, the Obrez boys are so.
Oh, boys!
Blitz! Blitz!
Oh, this better win! This better win! Oh, we're doing the roof strap. If someone votes that, vote for Byron.